Welcome to a fresh episode of the ArXiv Preprint Server Daily, AI Frontiers, where the latest developments in the field of artificial intelligence are explored. Today the focus is on a collection of papers from the Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence section, published on May 5, 2025. It's an exhilarating time for AI research, as rapid breakthroughs are impacting diverse fields such as healthcare, education, transportation, and entertainment. To begin with, it's essential to understand the broader field. Artificial intelligence research, often abbreviated as cs.AI, is centered on creating systems capable of tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks span a wide range, from understanding natural language or recognizing patterns to making decisions or predictions. The true potential of cs.AI lies in its ability to revolutionize numerous sectors by automating complex tasks and providing superior data analysis. Now let's dive into the research themes that emerge from the papers under discussion today. The first theme is research into bias in AI and algorithmic fairness. A paper by Shuyu Wang and colleagues tackles the impact of biased databases on the prediction outcomes of standard algorithms used in job interview candidate selection. They investigate how data that imitates various biases can be generated, and how anonymization affects prediction quality. The second theme is AI alignment and neurodivergence. Alberto Hernandez Espinosa and his team grapple with the AI alignment problem, presenting the argument that achieving full alignment between AI and human values is a mathematical impossibility. Instead, they propose a dynamic ecosystem of competing, partially aligned AI agents as a solution. Language and reasoning models form the third theme. Several papers, including ones by Sergio Hernandez Gutierrez and Mohammad Ali Shairi, focus on advancements in large language models, or LLMs, and their applications in reasoning tasks, neural interfaces, and more. Lastly, research into AI in education and autonomous agents forms the fourth theme. Simon Sa and Youngheng Zhou and their respective teams explore the use of AI in education, specifically the impact of personalized AI tutors on language learning, and the development of an autonomous agent for quantum chemistry. Let's now discuss some of the key findings from these papers. Shuyu Wang and team found that algorithms trained with biased data could perpetuate these biases, suggesting the need for more careful control of training data and algorithmic design to ensure fairness in AI applications. Alberto Hernandez Espinosa and his team provided mathematical proofs demonstrating the impossibility of complete AI-human alignment and proposed a strategy of fostering a dynamic ecosystem of competing, partially aligned AI agents to mitigate potential risks. Meanwhile, Sergio Hernandez Gutierrez and colleagues introduced a novel method, recursive decomposition with dependencies, or RDD, for solving reasoning problems. They found that RDD outperformed other methods as task complexity increased. Several common methodologies emerge across these papers. Machine learning and deep learning feature prominently in many papers, used to train models capable of performing complex tasks. However, these techniques can be computationally expensive and require large amounts of training data. Mathematical proofs are another common method, as seen in Alberto Hernandez Espinosa's paper, where they're used to demonstrate theoretical results. And finally, many papers, such as those by Simon Sa and Sergio Hernandez Gutierrez, use experimental designs and testing to evaluate the effectiveness of their proposed methods or systems. Delving deeper into the field, let's discuss three seminal papers in more detail. In a paper by Shuyu Wang and colleagues, they delve into the influence of bias in databases on the predictions of standard algorithms. They propose generating data that mimics different kinds of bias, both internal or self-censorship, and external or discrimination, to train algorithms and study their performance. This paper draws attention to the issue of bias in AI and underscores the need for fairness and transparency in AI systems. Alberto Hernandez Espinosa and his team tackle the profound challenge of AI alignment in their paper. They argue that full alignment between AI systems and human values is mathematically impossible. Instead, they propose a strategy of fostering a dynamic ecosystem of competing, partially aligned AI agents to mitigate potential risks. This paper provides a fresh perspective on AI alignment and its inherent challenges. Finally, Sergio Hernandez Gutierrez and colleagues introduce recursive decomposition with dependencies, a novel method for solving reasoning problems that requires less supervision than previous approaches. Their findings demonstrate that RDD outperforms other methods as task complexity increases, highlighting its potential for solving complex reasoning tasks in AI. Looking at the future, the field of cs.AI research is both exciting and challenging. There's a need to continue to address issues of bias and fairness in AI, explore the potential of AI alignment, and harness the power of AI in education and autonomous agents. As progress continues in this field, it will be crucial to ensure that AI systems are developed in a responsible and ethical manner, keeping in mind the values and needs of society. In conclusion, the field of cs.AI is rapidly evolving, with research spanning a wide range of topics. While significant progress has been made, challenges remain, particularly in ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. As the field continues to advance, it's essential to remember that the ultimate goal of AI research is to enhance our lives and society. Finally, the synergy between AI and humans in research synthesis is noteworthy. This synthesis was created using AI tools including GPT-4 by OpenAI. TTS synthesis was made possible by deepgram, and image generation was accomplished using stable diffusion. The generated content was then reviewed and validated by a human expert. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the ArXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights.